Hello! I would like to give you a brief tour of my webpage for my class Chem 180, Chemistry for the Energy and the Environment. I like to use a combined iLearn page with lecture and lab. I feel like that's a little bit more straightforward for the students to navigate, and they have all their grades in just one page and they don't have to kind of like calculate what would be their combined grade and so on. I actually changed how my page looks pretty much in the sense that before I had a lot of text introducing myself, a lot of text with the background of the class, and the students really had to read a lot to get some information about myself and the class. Now I replace the text with my Meet Your Instructor video. If you're interested in that, please visit my Liquid syllabus and then you can see this video here. So the students can click on the video link and it plays right in iLearn, so they don't even have to open a different page. Then if we scroll down, I also included the link to YouTube if the students would like to watch the video with accurate captions. It wasn't possible to include the captions in this uploaded video, unfortunately. And then there are just a few brief things for the students to know before we start the semester. I'm very happy that they are in my class. Of course, here's the link to click to the Liquid syllabus. And yeah, then there's a question and answer forum that they can also click on, which will open, and then the Getting to Know You survey and the icebreaker activity. And that's basically all there is to get the class started, basically. Yeah, so I really kept it short, didn't put much text, and yeah, tried to be as brief as possible. Thank you for watching.